Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. It has been a hot minute since I've actually filmed the video. It is actually Christmas Eve when I'm filming this. Hello, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas if you celebrate. But it's been about 2 weeks, 20 days almost since I've actually filmed a video. The last time I filmed was on December 5th. You just saw those videos go up not too long ago, but we are here to do the finale of the Deck of Panning Project Pan. And if you're unfamiliar with this project, it's been going on all year, but the lowdown is Emily from the channel Emily and Max created this project. It was a booktubers to be read list, apparently, and it revolved around a deck of cards. So every card had a prompt associated with it. The prompts changed once a month. Emily shuffled the board on the 10th of December. So you could get the same prompt. It might be in a different location on the board, but all the face cards were the same. I'm like holding a cup of coffee that you can't see, so... First thing, this project is coming back next year. Definitely recommend following Emily from Emily and Max again. Her channel is going to be linked down below in the description box, but she'll have much more information like the days that it starts and all that jazz. I don't know if she's going to start it on the 20th still of January, but that was when it started this year. But all of that to say, we're going to get started talking about products. So the first item I have on my list or in my like little Project Pan notebook is something for, I believe it was an ACE, which is a oldest product, or no, I apologize. It was for the prompt Project Graveyard. I don't remember what it was. I'll have something posted of what it would have been somewhere. But for that, I ended up picking this MAC lip pencil in the shade Beet. Now, I had like a very stretch goal to use this up, and clearly we did not use this up. However, my like softer goal was to use it 30 times. Again, didn't meet that. However, we made a valiant effort to try to get there. This is all I have left. So we're looking the same size as my pinky, a little less, which is really good because when we rolled this in, it was about the same size as my pinky, maybe a little bit taller, but we're making some really great progress with this. I have found that I really enjoy wearing it. If I'm going to just color in my whole lip with this shade and then plop a gloss on top, I have enjoyed that. I am not wearing it today. I'm wearing another product that's in this project on my lips that we'll get to later on. But MAC lip pencil and Beet, we did not make it. However, we made a good college effort. We made a good stride to try to. We used it more than we would have if it wasn't in this project, which is always a good point to make. Then the second item in this project, it's not my most exciting product, like progress this year, but I would wager that it's probably my greatest feat in this project. And this was another one that was for a Project Graveyard, and for that I picked this guy. This is my Lancôme La Vie Est Belle perfume. Y'all, we finished her up. There is maybe a little drop in there, but I cannot get it. So when we first started, I have been working on this since up there. However, since we've been in the project, we were started at that top purple line, and now we are all the way finished. So maybe like a good 1.5 centimeters, if that's the kind of scale you use. I made a good valiant effort on this. I love this fragrance. It reminds me of this time of year. When I worked at BareMinerals, a woman I worked with had always wore this during the holiday time, and I fell in love with it, which caused me to want to buy it. I paid full price for this puppy. I don't pay full price for perfumes like ever. This is one perfume that I did. She's a big ticket item, but I'm so happy I have used her up. I've had this for like 5+ years, but I've been like strategically panning it or attempting to pan it for like 2 years, and we're done. Woo! The next product was something for an oldest. I think that's a king, the oldest product, or like the oldest in whatever category could be. And I misplaced it last month, but we found it this month. It was like actually in a spot that I knew it would have been, but like just covered it up. I left it like next to my bed, and it was in like a hoodie pocket or something. So needless to say, this is the CoverGirl exhibitionist lip gloss. This I bought for my wedding last year, so last August. This is my oldest lip gloss in my collection. I really tried to use it up, however, we did not get there. We have a lot of windowing in there. I don't know if you'll be able to really see. There is some solid windowing like down here. I didn't use it up though, but we made a really good effort to try to use it up. Again, really just made some effort. I would have finished this up if I didn't misplace it for like an actual month. But it is what it is. It kind of is starting to have a funky, like that kind of smell where like lipsticks are going off, where it's kind of like crayon-y. But it says that it's like gonna be good for 24 months after opening, so I don't know. But yeah, it kind of has that like vanilla crayon-ish kind of scent where like when like a MAC lipstick, for instance, like is on its way out, it kind of smells like that. So I'm going to try to like hightail the usage out of this and like finish it up so I don't have to like have an expired lip product in my collection. It's not expired. It's less than the 2 years old that it should be, but it's fine. The next product, or everything else I rolled in last update, but the first product from the last update was for a product graveyard, and for that I ended up picking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight in I'm So Lit. The fun thing is I used almost all of the product that was like sitting on the lid. There was quite a bit of product on like in the sifter, and I only have this little tiny amount left down here. My goal was only to use this 10 times, and I did. I used this 12 times, so that was pretty exciting. Again, I knew I only had 15 days from when I filmed to like when the actual update needed to go up. I get that we're a couple days. However, like I reached the 10 uses before this update, if that makes sense. So I made my goal on this one, which I'm excited about. This has so much product in it, so I will never probably finish it, but that's fine. That's a problem for future me to like eventually have to plow through that, but not for me currently. Then a item for collecting cobwebs, and that's just something that I don't reach for or haven't reached for in a while, and I ended up picking this guy. This is a product that Haley had sent me last year for my birthday, and I keep it in with my loose eyeshadows, so I tend to go through my loose eyeshadows and try to pick one every month, at least once a month to use. This just always is in that drawer and I never pick it. So I had a soft goal. I think I wanted to use it 10 times. I used it once. So there's that. So we didn't make our goal on this one. However, I reached for it, and that's still an effort that I had not made previously. Another item that we had was, I don't remember the prompt, or the card that we pulled, but it was for an influencer collab or an influencer brand. And for that, I ended up picking this Rare Beauty Lip Soufflé. And what is this? Fearless Inspire. It's an Inspire. I'm wearing it today. I have it like on, and then I blotted, and then I put another product on top of it just so it would have a little bit more longevity if the color on top of it wears off. It's very like blurred. I like blotted a lot off, but my goal was to use this 5 times. I used it twice, today being one of them. So not my greatest. However, I love the formula of this. This color is just, I like this color, but I wear more colorful eyeshadows, so I struggle reaching for like a red or like any colorful lip anymore. I just don't wear neutral eye looks enough to like wear a red. Like even today, I have an ABH glitter on my eyes right now, and it's a little much personally, but it's Christmas, so it's fine. But that, I didn't meet a lot of my goals, to be fair. Like we met our goal on 2 products this time. Not my best work. However, this project kind of fell through the wayside at the very end of the year, but that is very besides the point. That is it for my deck of panning Project Pan. I am looking so forward to next year's deck of panning Project Pan. I definitely am going to be joining in on next year's, but that is it for this update. That is it. This is the finale. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Until my next video, I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.